Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the plan view and immediately editing its view range. This is the control that decides what vertical slice of the model you see. First, set the top, cut plane, and bottom values to match the floor construct. Use level references when possible to keep consistency. Once done, select whether each plane is tied to a level or a specific distance. This ensures the view reacts predictably when you shift levels or change floor-to-floor heights. Now refine the cut plane and visibility behavior. This is where you control what objects are represented as cut verses, shown symbolically. Raise or lower the cut plane to capture window heads or door details. If you need elements below the bottom plane, expand view depth to include them. Also decide whether elements intersecting the plane appear as cut lines or as symbols, because that choice affects annotation and hatch display. Make sure to test with a nearby wall or window to confirm. Finish by applying the view range settings to a view template so your plans stay consistent across sheets. You can then push the template to similar views. If elements unexpectedly vanish, verify the elements level, workset visibility, and whether view scale or discipline is hiding them. As a quick troubleshooting step, reset the view range to default or set a large view depth to reveal hidden items. That often exposes whether the issue is range, category visibility, or element properties.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.